Despite being a nation of modest size, roughly equivalent to the state of Florida, and a struggling economy with a GDP in the tens of billions of US dollars, North Korea commands disproportionate strategic importance, forcing the US, China, and Russia to treat it with extreme caution. The country's relative poverty belies several hard cards that give it leverage over global powers. The most significant of these is its nuclear arsenal and long-range missile program. North Korea views nuclear capability as the ultimate deterrent, learning from the fates of non-nuclear states like Iraq and Libya that were overthrown by U.S. intervention. Although its nuclear efforts began decades ago, a significant push came after the collapse of the Soviet Union. A temporary agreement with the U.S. in the 90s to freeze the program soon fell apart, leading to subterranean, nonstop development. North Korea's geographical position is another crucial factor. Sandwiched between China, Russia, and the U.S.'s staunch ally, South Korea, any major conflict or collapse in North Korea would destabilize the entire Northeast Asian region. This is a nightmare scenario that all three major powers are determined to avoid. Furthermore, its 1 million-plus conventional army, while technologically inferior to the U.S., poses a massive threat, particularly because South Korea's capital, Seoul, is within direct artillery range of the border. The final piece of the puzzle is the regime's internal unity. Unlike many Middle Eastern nations the U.S. has engaged, North Korea is politically monolithic, making external regime change nearly impossible. Ultimately, while the U.S. is capable of defeating North Korea, the potential costs, nuclear retaliation, regional chaos, and massive conventional casualties, are deemed too high. North Korea acts as a geopolitical counterweight in Northeast Asia, one that no major power dares to tip over.